The BOSCH GSR18V-400B22 Drill Kit is a professional-grade compact drill with a brushless motor that provides efficient power and outstanding runtime. Despite its compact design, with a head length of only 6.3 inches, it delivers up to 400 inch-pounds of torque, making it a power-dense tool. The drill features 20 clutch settings for accuracy, reducing fastener damage, and an all-metal chuck for durability and first-rate bit retention. It also boasts an ergonomic grip zone for better gripping and comfort, as well as variable speed controls for precise tool performance. The kit includes a belt clip, two 2 Ampere-hour Standard Batteries, an 18-volt charger, and a carrying bag, offering great value for its price. The BOSCH GSR18V-400B22 Drill Kit also features electronic cell protection to help protect the battery from overload, and comes with a 5-year limited warranty for the cordless power tools and chargers, and a 3-year limited warranty for the batteries.